It's N.R.T here. We're in the ATV shop. Here's 250, as you see right there. Down. Got stator out. Putting the camera off. Okay. Gonna need the internet itself with this. 3-wire on the point stator. Black wire goes in here. White wire goes into there. Green wire goes into a yellow wire. So that green wire is just goes to there, and then it goes into yellow. Throughout there. I don't remember there being 3 wires, and I'm trying to check back my video to see if there was 3 wires, but every stator I found online that's points only has yellow and black, so something's not right. Haven't even got to test out that brand new Mikuni carburetor right there, still with the tag on it, as you see. That was not cheap, but who said fun was cheap? So gotta get 250 going, gonna go rip it, and I'm almost at the point of selling all the point stuff and buying a CDI kit from N.R.T. I'm almost at that point, because I got 2 full boxes of parts that I bought. So most of them are for points. I got, like, the engines I'm probably gonna keep. The rebuild kit's probably gonna keep. Stuff like that, but the stator stuff I could sell them, or maybe N.R.T. would want to do a trade, because points is hard to find, but that's because everyone's not getting rid of them, or they're just scrapping them and going to CDI. But for the guy who needs a stator, he's probably going to want this, so I don't know. Got brand new fuel line, waiting on some brake line for the fuel tank, and yeah, so tried recording a video, audio ain't working, got how many mics, not one of them working, so I had to order another mic. And I got my corded mic ripped when I was working on the 7610, so I had to get another one of them. I found a good deal on some better quality mics for 20 bucks. Might get them. Just been getting like $10, $14 mics, and no wonder why I'm having audio issues. I need to spend that money and get some good mics, but yeah, so alright, well, this little video, I don't know if you guys are really interested in me working on the Odyssey. If you are, leave a comment, leave a like on this video, and in the comments put you want to see more Odyssey videos, and I'll make more of them. I know there's a couple people waiting on me to get my spark issue figured out, because they have the spark issue, but this is new to me. I've never messed with Honda Odysseys before, and this is my first year owning one. So, and I've only driven it like 5 times in the whole year. First had gas tank and carb issues, then it ran perfect, and then it lost spark. So, and then the whole wiring harness was corroded. But I did order. I do have some 16 gauge right there to build a brand new harness the correct way, instead of just using black wire, because that was a pain. I could have put tape in, but yeah, so alright, catch you guys on the next one.